hotel, Marincanto, and I will be doing a video of that hotel so that way you guys can see if you like it. If you're ever in Positano, you can stay there. Hey guys, so I'm standing right above our hotel. Is this right here, Marincanto, and you can see the beach down there. We have like a private beach. It's absolutely beautiful with like beautiful blue colors, very clear. And then we get the view of Positano, which is why I picked this hotel, because I'm like, if I'm gonna come out here, I need to get a room that gives me this view. I already made it all the way out here. It needs to be worth it. Get awesome views. I'm pretty sure anywhere in Positano you can get this kind of view. It's just beautiful everywhere. I think this is the area where a lot of people take their shots, their pictures that they put on Instagram or TikTok, any social media. They go down there and then they get this scene right here. It's real pretty. It's beautiful shots to take from down there. Oh, and then there's also like a lot of little restaurants right straight going down, so you get like this view. The restaurants look like this, where the chairs are there with the tables, and the restaurants are right there, so that way you can eat while getting this beautiful view, which is actually really cool. You can go up way higher. Some hotels are actually like high up there, but we didn't like want to go that high. We wanted to be real close to the beach, walking distance, and be close to like the middle, the center of everything. This water is so beautiful. Like, video does no justice to it. It's very pretty. Hey guys, so this is the hotel. Up there's the lobby and the restaurant, which I've taken a lot of pictures from. This is the pool area. And you can get in the pool and have this amazing view. And then a lot of people just sunbathe here to get a tan or whatever. And you have this incredible view of Positano. It's a very nice hotel. And these are the steps that you gotta take all the way to get all the way down there. It takes a long time. But it's the hotel has a private beach. Hey guys, so this is our room in Positano. It's very spacious. And here we have a little balcony with the beautiful view of Positano. This is the bathroom. And this is another balcony that you can step out. It's a private balcony. Oh, we have some lemons. Little lemon tree. From the hotel. breakfast at the hotel in Positano. Having breakfast with this lovely view. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Support the channel and click on this video right here, Capri walking tour. It's actually my most viewed video. Let me know in the comments below what you think.